You're looking to grow your Etsy sales, leveraging the power of print on demand. And you sell print on demand shirts, but you're wondering which print on demand shirts should I be selling? Which ones are the best bang for our buck? Which one is the best return on our time? And in this video, in this free training, we're going to go in depth and show you exactly the correct process and the correct way to think about this. Specifically, I'm going to screen share and dive into how you should be researching this niche, how you can find the best shirts to sell on Etsy, and you're going to uncover a bunch of high revenue products that you should be listing in your shop today. Just a matter of execution and hard work. And I'm going to show you exactly how to do it and how this opportunity is available for literally anybody that takes the time and executes on it. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and jump in and I'll see you over there. We're going to go to the Etsy search bar. We're going to type in shirt. We're going to figure out, what are the best search terms to actually target and actually, validate products on. So we're going to let Etsy kind of do the heavy lifting here. So we type in shirt. You see that shirt pops up first, shirt custom, shirts for women, shirt SVG, shirts for men, right? Etsy is actually ranking these in order of relevance and search volume, right? Popularity of people actually, Etsy is trying to guess what we're going to search for next based on relevancy and search volume. So as you see, shirt is being searched for the most, shirts custom, shirts for women. We're going to go ahead and type in, let's say shirts for women for now. Okay, so we know that people are actually searching on Etsy shirts for women. They're trying to buy shirts for women. Now the question is next is what shirts for women are they actually buying? Which would answer like what shirts for women should we design for print on demand? Which ones should we make? Which ones should we sell? That is the answer that we're trying to, that's the question we're trying to answer right now. So here we are, shirts for women. I'm just going to go ahead and scan. This is my process. A lot of our other members' process is we just scan to make sure that we can make things like this, right? Make sure that we're in the right wheelhouse, make sure these designs are stuff that we can make, make sure these shirts are something that we can, we can get from our print on demand partner. So we're just kind of scanning. And yeah, the answer is yes. I can make most of those items, can just design most of these things. So let's go ahead and click on the analytics here. And we got the data loaded up here. So basically we just sort by estimated monthly sales or estimated monthly revenue. We're gonna go and sort by that because we want to get the highest revenue products, right? That's the only thing that we're really interested in, growing our Etsy shop's revenue, right? Obviously our profit too. So we're trying to grow our sales and we want to sell the things that are being purchased, right? We want to sell things like that. So that's what we're going to do. First thing I see is $1,300 in revenue. I see it's a Disney shirt. So immediately we're going to stay away from it because I'm not interested in trademark items. We want to have our shop be here for the long term. We like to do things that are, within Etsy's terms of service, and selling trademarked items is definitely not, I don't want to risk getting shut down. So we keep going. Leopard print Valentine's. Okay. So obviously Valentine's Day is coming up by the time, at the time of this video. So this one's going to be a newer listing age, or listing age is 2 months. So yeah, this isn't like an evergreen product. If I'm interested in like kind of capitalizing on that Valentine, market at the moment, then yeah, this is potentially something I'm going to make. For the current time, I'm going to only focus on products that are going to be selling pretty much all year long. So let's just keep going. That's awesome though. It's awesome to see $1,300 in revenue. Leopard print Valentine's. Okay, some Valentine's stuff is popping up, of course. Cute heart t-shirt. A lot of the stuff is going to be Valentine's Day. Let's look at funny shirt, sassy shirt. Let's see this one. $1,000 a month in revenue. And once in a while, okay, so I'll check this one out. So we know that it's 7 months old. We see all the tags that they're using. So they've optimized the listing. They've optimized the title. Good for them. Again, $1,000 a month in revenue. And let's check out the shirt. Okay, so once in a while, someone amazing comes along and here I am, right? It's a funny shirt. I like it. Cool. I see a few things here and I'll point them out to you. Is one, it's on sale, but also I'll notice that they have a bunch of other price points. So that's a really good thing, right? So the revenue is actually probably higher than $1,000 a month in revenue because the average price is probably in the $15 to $16 range. And it's actually higher. Likely it's going to be higher than this. So that's a good thing. I also see that they have 51 total reviews for this listing and it's 7 months old. So you've got 51 reviews in 7 months. Do you think that is a selling item? Personally, I think it is. Like that is, they're having traction for this listing. People are buying it. People are obviously leaving good reviews on it. So for me, this is a validated product. If I'm looking to design print on demand shirt, you know, and have it validated and have basically take all the guessing work out of it, this is a shirt that I'm probably going to be listing, something like this. Now, am I going to just go ahead and copy this shirt, copy this quote, copy the mock-ups? No, absolutely not. We never recommend this, but we will absolutely use the same quote, right? Because this is a very generic quote. You could do a lot of things with this. You could change the font. You could change the size of the font. You could change the color of the font. You could put a circle around it. You can do so many things, right? And be creative and use your creativity to create something. You could change the mock-ups, put a video in here too to help sell it. What they're missing, I mean, obviously they're doing great, and I'm not going to critique their listing too much, but they're certainly missing some mock-ups of like lifestyle people, like people actually wearing their products and actually smiling and things like that could really go a long way from your conversion standpoint. But again, you can't judge it too hard because obviously this thing is doing well. In 7 months, it's getting 51 reviews and it's bringing in $1,000 a month in monthly revenue on average. So that is an excellent listing. I mean, they're doing a good job. Now, the opportunity for you as a print-on-demand shirt seller or print-on-demand seller is to go and make something like this, right? We're not trying to reinvent the wheel. We're trying to model success. And this one is successful. Go make your version of this same product, okay? Don't copy it, but make your version of it, right? Change some things, change the mock-ups, change the listing, change the font, some cool things. But again, don't try to reinvent the wheel all the time. This is the biggest mistake that people are making. They're trying to always be the first of everything, the original of everything, and you just can't do it. That's not how business is actually done. That's fairy tale. Business is actually modeled after, you know, successful businesses are modeled after other successful businesses and products, right? So we need to do this too. Your success depends on it. So let's keep moving. So I'm going to definitely favorite that one. That's one that we are definitely doing. Be Kind sign language shirt. $800 a month in revenue. This listing's been a year and a half. That's amazing. Let's check it out. This is definitely a shirt that can sell all year round too. That's what I like about it. It's not like a Valentine's Day shirt. It's on sale, but again, it's a youth shirt is on sale. But really, I mean, yeah, it's not our average price point around $14. Check out the reviews in this item. 500 reviews for this listing, right? Is that a validated product for you? Is that a product that is proven to withstand the test of time, right? 1.5 years, 500 reviews. Yes, that's a validated product. This is as good as it gets. And now the question is, can you make something like this? You know, can you be creative and make something like this, right? Based on this data, you know, is it worth it for you to make something like this? And I think the answer would be yes, right? Like it's $1,000 a month in revenue almost. And it's just one listing. You can create 3, 4, 5, 10 different variations of the same exact shirt with Be Kind. You can do different hand colors. You can do different fonts. You could do, again, a circle, a heart in here. You could do so many things, but the idea is here and it's validated. The work is done for you. All you need to do is just execute it. Okay. And then make a great listing. Awesome. I think that, yeah, they've done a good job too with this listing. They've kind of have all the necessary information in here. I think that what they're missing also is a person wearing this shirt, right? A group of people wearing this shirt. Even if they're mock-ups, right? Just like somebody smiling and saying like, hey, my life is better because I wear this shirt. That helps with conversions, right? That's human psychology. Like we want to see somebody else's happiness. If I wear that shirt, it's going to make me happy too, right? And that's what some of these listings are missing. And that's where you can potentially separate yourself. So yeah, overall, I think this is a really great listing. And out of 4,000 reviews for this shop, 500 of them are on for this specific listing. Now that is a successful product, right? It's not like 5 reviews over here. If it was 5 reviews, I'd probably say, oh, let's stay away from this product because it's not really enough time to use our time to actually, you know, to make the product and kind of risk it, right? 500 reviews, that takes a long time and it takes a lot of sales to get to that point. So certainly something I would go after. Let's keep going. Let's look for another keyword. So we're going to go ahead and type in, let's say, let's run with that. Be Kind shirt. There's sweatshirt, there's t-shirt, but shirt is being searched for more than sweatshirt and more than t-shirt. So what we're going to do is go ahead and do Be Kind shirt, and we're going to run them with the same idea. Awesome. So as we got the data loaded up, now we are just kind of scanning to make sure that we're on the right track, and it looks like we are. That's awesome. Now click on analytics. Okay, so now we're going to go ahead and sort by monthly revenue, and we're going to just find the best products to sell. Let's see this one, women's graphic tees. Looks like I favorited this one in the past. I'm gonna check it out. Okay, so it's not really a Be Kind shirt. Oh yeah, it has Be Kind right here. Again, listing age 2 years and 7 months. Like this is amazing, right? This thing's been around. Let's check out the shirt because we could certainly make something like this. This is not design. Okay, so what I'm looking at here is it's $22. Looks like they have different options here. They have 71 monthly sales, about $1,500 in monthly revenue. It's been around for over 2.5 years and 362 total reviews for this listing. Like, that's good quality product, validated product to me. They only have 6 images in here. So there's a good opportunity to make your own product, create your version of this, and optimize your listing better. Put a video in here, put more mock-ups in here. The size chart is pretty good. Show how it fits on different types of body types, right? Like, that's kind of where you can separate yourself also. Certainly change the fonts here. You could change the rainbow a little bit. People are buying this shirt, and why can't they buy it from you, right? Is the next question. You can make something like this. You're a designer, you're a print-on-demand designer. Otherwise, you wouldn't be watching this video. So go and execute on something like this. Create 2-3 different variations of this same exact type of product, and go and create a great listing, which, by the way, all the tags here are for you, right? For this successful listing. You can copy the title too. Obviously make it your own, take what works, but also leave what doesn't. And, and just put some great listings up there. Let's keep going here. This one's favorited. So this looks like a bundle here. I don't really want a bundle. Be kind, sign language. Did we already look at this one? I think we did. Kindness shirt. Okay, so yeah, they kind of have what we just talked about earlier. We mentioned that, I think it was this one, right? This is, they did the same, they did exactly the strategy I was just mentioning. Like, they have different colors in here. As you see, be kind, different colors, different types of hands. They did the same thing here, but just different colors. So they know what works. And what I'm telling you is that other successful sellers are doing this strategy. This is why I'm teaching you it. So it's been around for 1.5 years. It's bringing in $800 per month in revenue. This is a good listing. Let's check out the details up close. Yeah, so 341 reviews for this product. Again, validated product. No question that this is a product that works, that sells well, and certainly something you should be considering if you're a print-on-demand seller, because you can make something like this. This is all print-on-demand, right? Hats off to the seller. They're doing a great job, but there's nothing that you can't do here. They have a good mock-up here. They have different variations in their shirt colors, a nice quality, sizing chart, things like this. Definitely missing some mock-ups of people actually using the product or happy with wearing the shirt, things like that. So there's a lot of opportunity there. So yeah, let's keep going. What is this one? $400 a month in revenue. Yeah, so it's a half a year old, 5 months old, 42 reviews on the listing. I'd consider this a validated product too. I mean, they've got traction, right? They've been around for 5 months and they're getting 42 reviews in 5 months. Like, that's not a bad product. Bringing in a little less revenue, $400, I think it was $495, something like that. Yeah, $450 in revenue. But overall, this is not a bad listing. This is definitely something that print-on-demand seller can more of, right? So, we check out the pricing. So this is a good product too. So there's so many of these things. Let's keep looking. Let's look at some other one. Rainbow SVG, Rainbow Baby. Not really rainbow shirt. I was kind of looking for rainbow shirt, but obviously people aren't really looking at that. So how about heart sweater? We're going to focus on shirts today. But shirts for men. So yeah, so we're going to go ahead and click on analytics. Awesome. We're going to go ahead and sort by estimated monthly revenue. So as you see, $3,900 in monthly revenue up here. See some other things here. Funny shirt. We already looked at that one. Check this one out. $1,200 in monthly revenue. So this is a brand new listing, and it looks like Etsy's rotated this onto the first page somehow. So for me, this is where we use our brain. It's actually a good teaching moment, right? So when we look at the data, we have to use our mind with this stuff too, right? So this is a brand new listing. It's showing $1,200 a month in revenue, but the listing age it's a brand new listing, okay? And it's getting a lot of views. And obviously it looks like it's getting some sales, surprisingly too. So 30 sales for the shop. But what I would do is I would not trust this data so much. I would not trust that this is the listing. I'm going to go all in on it and make this, product right now, simply because it just doesn't have enough data. It's not validated. There's no tags in here. I think Etsy is rotating this onto the first page, and it's getting some sales, but it's not going to stick, right, long term, because they're not optimized. So I just wanted to stop here and just show you that. Use our brain here. If it's a low listing age, then very likely it's not a validated product. Okay, so let's keep going. We already looked at that one. Let's look at this custom shirt, extra fly apparel, sarcastic t-shirt. Yeah, this is good. A year and 3 months, well optimized listing, $800 a month in revenue. let's look at it. 171 reviews for this listing. This is a validated product. I'd make something like this for sure. You know, if you compare this one to the other one that we just showed, like this one is validated, the other one is not. Like this one's been around for a year and 3 months. People have been buying this. They're continuing to buy it. They're leaving good reviews on it. Now your job is to go and design something very similar, using the same type of quotes, similar type of design, but just make it your own, right? Make the listing your own. Change the fonts, change the things. People like this product, right? So go and create something like it. Good price points overall. Yeah, 171 reviews in a year and 3 months. This is a good product. So yeah, if you're getting value out of this video, if you wouldn't mind, just like the video. It helps YouTube algorithm, helps kind of spread our word. We're doing this video for free, right? We're doing this training for free to help like Etsy sellers and helping our members. So if you wouldn't mind, just like, subscribe, comment down below if you have any questions or what maybe your niche is, or maybe what type of training that you would like to see next. What specific keywords would you like us to go in in depth on? We'd be happy to do it. That's where we get most of our video ideas. So yeah, I hope this video helps. I appreciate you guys, and I'll talk to you soon. Again, EverBee is the best product research tool there is. It's incredibly powerful for figuring out which products to sell on Etsy, which ones you shouldn't sell, which are going to be profitable, which aren't. And there is a free forever plan. So there's 0 credit card required, 0 risk. So sign up in the link in the description below. It's 100% free to join. And I look forward to seeing you guys there.